My name is Russell Kackley. I'm a software engineer at Subaru Telescope. My main function is developing software for the observation control system that gets used every night at Subaru to take observations with the telescope. I also do what's called system administration, where we maintain computer disk drives, network cards, network switches, tape backups, things like that. Here at Subaru, one thing that I also like about it is we have these remote observing screens that we can work from Hilo but see exactly what's happening at the summit and what the observers are doing at night if we need to. Before the night begins, we set up the observation for the whatever instrument has been designated for the night, and we set the software up for the right conditions to support that instrument and observer and his science that he wants to do. I mean, I enjoy coming to work here. I mean, the facilities that we have to work with are fantastic. Computer resources, office equipment and everything is top-notch as far as I can tell. Having the two cultures working together, the Japanese culture and the American, and there's people from Germany, Korea, Taiwan, China. I mean, almost every country that you can think of it. I like talking to the astronomers, especially about stuff like new planets or new phenomena in the universe and things like that. So, Akamai internship is an 8-week program during the summer. Students that are college students, either freshman, sophomore, junior college students, and give them real work experience in Hawaii, working for a scientific institution. The intent is to promote workforce development for residents of Hawaii. Last year, I mentored a student that was a graduate of Hawaii Prep Academy from Waimea, and she was studying computer science. So while she was here, we had her work on a very useful project where we had to rewrite some software that was used for focusing one of our instruments. So we had her write it. We're pretty happy with the results of that. And so it will definitely be used when the instrument gets ready to go on the telescope again next time. 15 years ago, there was a message put out to all the observatories asking for mentors for a new robotics program that was starting at the high school. Ended up mentoring both Waikea Intermediate and Honoka'a high schools. And one thing that really surprised me is that some of the students are so committed to the program that they work weekends, Saturday, they come in on Saturdays and Sundays. I was happy to see that several of them go on to college, study engineering or computer science, and successfully graduate and go on to, work as a professional in the field. So I've been doing it long enough that I've seen a lot of kids do that. My message for the kids in Hawaii is to pursue the interests that get them excited and are fulfilling for them. And I found that science and engineering type activities were fun and challenging, and it's worked out really well for me for making a life and contributing to something that I think is valuable, which is study the universe, the solar system, and all types of astronomy related things.